Choosing an S-corporation to form your business comes with several impressive tax advantages. You don't pay for corporate income tax, and your Social Security and Medicare taxes are lower. However, an S-corporation's health insurance can be trickier than other business types. In this video, we'll go over everything S-corp owners need to do to receive company-sponsored health insurance, how to properly deduct those expenses from their taxes, and how a health reimbursement arrangement, or HRA, affects their eligibility. Before we get started, tap the button below to make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you're the first to know important health benefit updates like this. Now, let's get started. As an S-corp owner, you may be wondering, can my S-corp pay for my health insurance? The short answer is no. Most people assume all businesses can provide health insurance to their employees, including owners, on a tax-free basis. While that's true for C corporations, it isn't the case for S-corps. S-corporations can provide health insurance as a tax-free benefit to its non-owner employees. This means the company offers group health insurance to employees and deducts the cost as a business expense, paying no taxes on the insurance premiums. However, health insurance for S-corp owners isn't quite so easy. Shareholders owning greater than 2% of stock must include their health insurance costs paid through the company as income, making the amount subject to income tax. Unlike owners of an LLC or partnership, S-corp owners can't get around this rule by employing their spouse and getting coverage through the spouse's participation in their health plan. For health insurance purposes, spouses and other family members are considered an S-corp owner themselves, even if the family members don't have any stock in their names. The good news is S-corps can still get their health insurance deducted. While S-corp owners may not have the same access to tax-free health insurance as their employees, they're still able to receive tax advantage premiums. This can be done by taking a personal income tax deduction on the health insurance premiums paid by the company. To qualify for the deduction, the health insurance policy must be established by the company and not by the S-corp owner personally. The company must pay their insurance premium and include the premiums as gross wages in their W-2. The company must either pay for the premiums directly or by reimbursing the owner. If they pay the policy premiums on their own without a reimbursement by the business, this doesn't qualify for a tax deduction. If they do qualify, an S-corp deduction can be made with Form 1040. Under this method, S-corp owners can deduct premiums for accident, dental, and long-term care policies, as well as for health insurance policies. Finally, let's talk about how HRA eligibility works for S-corp owners. Because HRAs are only eligible for W-2 employees and S-corp owners are taxed as shareholders, they and their family aren't considered employees and therefore aren't allowed to participate in an HRA. HRAs function as a reimbursement benefit, and when insurance policy premiums are reimbursed, they aren't considered to be established by the business. This means S-corp owners wouldn't be able to deduct those expenses even if they just participated in the HRA for tracking purposes. However, S-corps can still offer an HRA to non-owner employees. HRAs allow the S-corporation to have complete control over their budget while giving employees the freedom to choose how they spend their healthcare allowance. S-corp owners' health insurance doesn't function as a tax-free fringe benefit the same way C-corp owners does. However, they can still have access to tax-advantaged health insurance through the company. If S-corp owners ensure their policy is established through their business, they can deduct any payments made toward the premiums on their Form 1040 when they file taxes at the end of the year. In the meantime, they can offer their employees a quality health insurance benefit with a traditional group policy or an HRA. This way, everyone in the S-corporation will have access to tax-advantaged health insurance through the company with complete coverage. At PeopleKeep, our award-winning customer support team helps thousands of organizations administer their own HRA every day, and we'd love to help you too. Tap below to subscribe and get more health benefit updates like this. If you're interested in an HRA for your organization, visit PeopleKeep.com to learn how we can get you started.